Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you find yourself constantly on calls or frequently gaming with friends, but would rather not use your real voice in either situation? In this video, I will show you the best voice-changing tool for PC, which you can use for both calls and games. Let's go. I've tried many different voice changers for various purposes, and I can tell you that this one is the most versatile by far. It offers a wide variety of voices, from human and AI to game characters, and you can even create a custom one just for you. The best part? It's cross-platform, meaning you can easily use it during live calls, gaming sessions, and much more. Of course, like many useful tools, this one has a premium plan, but there's also a free version to test out first, making sure it's just right for your needs. Want to give it a try now? You can use my link below to download it directly and enjoy the full software experience free of charge the first time you use it. Once installed on your computer, the real-time voice changer dashboard gives you access to a wide range of voice categories, including AI, human, robot, and character voices, among others. For example, you can use a professional human voice for formal calls or a fun, quirky one for gaming with friends. At the bottom, make sure the Hear Myself, microphone, and Enable Voice Changer buttons are all enabled so you can test the voices instantly. Once you've picked a voice, simply speak into your microphone as you normally would, and your voice will be transformed in real time. Take a look at how it works and listen to my new voice.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
Moreover, you can adjust the volume, pitch, and timbre of your modified voice. You can even add sound effects to make it seem like you're somewhere else entirely, like a beach, a bustling city, or many other locations. Finally, click Save Settings to remember your preferences for all applicable platforms. After configuring your voice in the software, you'll generally be able to apply it instantly to other messaging and gaming apps with individual audio controls. Just remember to keep the voice changer tool running in the background. Still, to make sure everything works as expected, open Settings on your computer. Navigate to System, go to Sound, and choose the program as your default input device. The same audio input should also be recognized by other apps. Otherwise, you can configure voice input manually within the audio settings of each app. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.